like where the sun rises and sets, the taste of water, the mortality of humans, and in Pakistan's case, the need for loans. Looks like another one is in the work. Reports say Pakistan's new government will seek another bailout from the IMF. That's the International Monetary Fund. And how much money do they want? Around $6 billion. Now this raises a couple of questions. One, where is the new government? And two, why does Pakistan want more money? To answer the first one, a coalition agreement has been struck. The Pakistan Muslim League Navaz, PMLN, has joined hands with the Pakistan People's Party, PPP, basically the Sharifs plus the Bhutto Zardaris. Shehbaz Sharif has been picked to become the Prime Minister. He held the same post last year as well. But the PPP will not be joining the cabinet. They will support the government from the outside. And what do they get in return? The next president will be their pick. The PPP has named Asif Ali Zardari, the father of Bilawal Bhutto. He'll be the president of Pakistan. So that's where government formation is at. We don't have a date for the swearing in, but chances are it will happen before this month ends. Now we come to the next question. Why does Pakistan need another bailout? They got one just last June. A $3 billion assistance program. So why the new loan? Because Pakistan has too many payments to make, some $25 billion in the next financial year.